We work on fighters, we work on large transport aircraft, we work on the C-130 with gunships, we do modifications to aircraft, extensive electrical work, extensive structural work, so it's just very, very different. We have aging aircraft issues that has identified the need for additional major repairs and modifications that need to be done immediately.
At the airfields, our cycle time was getting longer, our throughput was declining, our WIP was increasing, and our on-time delivery was really suffering.
An engine asset can cost anywhere between $2 and $20 million, and reducing the turnaround time either for Delta or for our customers can materialize into real dollars in having to own less assets.
By following these rules and knowing where our high WIP levels are at, we've increased our throughput and our capacity and capability in those back shops tremendously since February.
We didn't want to go out and hire 1,000 additional mechanics. I mean, we felt like we had the number of mechanics to do the work. It was about synchronizing.
The results have been substantial. As you can see here, 35% reduction in flow days, 44% reduction in WIP. Quality has improved. That's quite an interesting story because we were told as you speed up the pace of maintenance, quality is going to suffer. And our critics were telling us that. Well, actually, quality has improved substantially. It is amazing to watch C5 today. They are just not stressing. If you go into an organization, of course they have uncertainties, they have things that happen, but they have a process now to handle those.
The bottom line in all of this is we want to be able to get those parts to that engine at the right time, fully kitted, fully supportable, so that mechanic does not have to start, stop. He starts it, he finishes that engine on time, on cost, and gets it to the warfighter. And that's the goal in all of this, and our implementation was the end result. So with that, I say thank you.